नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us all over the world at this moment through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV and some more channels live, and through two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world in many countries, celebrating 37th Jayanti Utsava. City is sitting with us all over the world, celebrating the Jayanti Mahotsava, and all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, tanedars, kotaris, mahants from various countries, ashrams, devotees from Karnataka, devotees from all over the India and all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Sannyasis of Nityananda Sampradaya and sannyasis who are going to be initiated today into the order and sannyasis of various sampradayas sitting with us in Bidadi from all over the world and sitting in our temples, ashrams. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. My heart is overflowing. Even though I can't afford to tell this word, I am searching for words to express my love. Each part of the world in different continents, especially the countries where now it is midnight or late night, like UK, Slovakia, the European countries and East Coast. When I see the number of devotees gathering in the countries where it is now midnight and late night, offerings, I want each one of you to know, don't feel you are not in my physical presence, you are in my presence. I just want all of you to know, all the love you offer through the various offerings and the puja, I accept all of that with my full heart and bless you all. I bless you all with a great, big, cosmic Tathastu. All over the world, various ashrams, satsang centers are inaugurating various projects today as offering to the world, as offering to the humanity. I bless all of you and accept all the offerings you are making for me and for the world. Our first branch, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, is offering today Guru Homa in the temple and Annadana and inauguration of Nityananda Vaidyalaya in Hyderabad. And all the devotees in Hyderabad ashram, I bless you all and accept all the seva you are doing to the world, and I bless you all to enrich the world. Blessings. Ohio, Prayag, Nityananda Vedic Temple is offering 108 Naivedyams. Ohio, I accept the Naivedyams and blessings. Blessings to all the devotees in Ohio, USA, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Nityananda Vedic Temple is offering 108 Naivedyams, and I welcome all the devotees gathered in Los Angeles, Arunachala. I welcome all of you and blessings. The whole Nityananda Sabha is filled in Los Angeles. So nice to see so many of you in Los Angeles temple, Nityananda Vedic temple. So I bless you all and accept all the offerings you are giving. Blessings to Los Angeles. Seattle, Chidambaram, I bless you all. I accept your great service of starting a Vedic library for Sanatana Hindu Dharma. The Jnanalaya is being inaugurated in Seattle today. I inaugurate Jnanalaya, and I also accept the 108 offerings, Naivedyams you are offering. Blessings. And Seattle, I am also inaugurating the largest mural of Nataraja in the US in Seattle through this declaration. And I am also launching officially the Annalaya in Seattle, Chidambaram, Nityananda Vedic Temple through this declaration. My blessings for the Seattle Chidambaram. Hope all of you are able to see all the countries and ashrams and temples. Next I am moving to San Jose in USA. This temple has been named as Madurai. Nityananda Vedic Temple, San Jose, Madurai. Blessings to all the Mahants, Tanedars, Kotaris in San Jose, Madurai. And I also accept 124 Naivedyams San Jose is offering. And I welcome all the devotees who are gathered in San Jose. My blessings to all of you. And formally, I am inaugurating the Jnanalaya, one of the largest library for Hinduism in San Jose, Madurai today. Blessings. And Oman Sivagangai, I accept your Naivedyams offering, and I also accept your puja from the Middle East. Blessings to Oman Sivagangai. The Oman temple has been named as Sivagangai. Next, Phillip Island, Australia Center, I accept the 21 Naivedyams you are offering and my blessings. I also launched the center of Phillip Island, Australia. Blessings. St. Louis, Tirumala, the St. Louis Nityananda Vedic Temple as the largest Venkateshwara in USA, around 13 feet tall deity. The St. Louis Tirumala Temple, I accept your offering of 85 Naivedyams today, blessings. And Toronto Kailasam, through this declaration officially I inaugurate the Annalaya opening in Toronto Kailasam, and I also accept your 108 Naivedyams offerings, Guru Homa and Guitar Nakshatra Abhisheka, a new fusion concert, blessings. Offered in Toronto Kailasam Temple, Nityananda Vedic Temple, my blessings, I accept it. Thank you, I am accepting, and I am so happy to see everywhere the love and offerings of devotees. Please understand, don't ever think you are there in some corner of the world and will your offering reach me in any corner of the world. Remember, you are in me. So, Toronto guys, Toronto Kailasam devotees, and the Toronto, the other temple priest who is visiting our temple as a guest, I welcome all of you. I welcome you also, the other temple priests who have come. Thank you for coming to our temple, and thank you for being here. I accept the Gurumudi offerings and the Jivan Mukti Vrata, all of you observed for last 21 days. And I am so happy. Bless you all with a big Tathastu. And I accept your Gurumudis, and I bless Toronto. In my Padakas, Vibhuti and Kumkum will materialize just to prove that I accept your devotion and your vratas. Please have the prasadam. It will start materializing now. Toronto, chief guest of the Toronto Temple, Lalita Gurukul, I welcome all of you for being here. Thank you for coming to the temple. And next I move to Asia, Singapore. Thank you for being here. I accept all the 118 Naivedyams you are offering and all your Jivan Mukti Vrata and Gurumudi blessings. I accept the devotion and commitment of all of you, Singapore, Singapuram. My blessings, Mumbai Center. I accept all the 15 varieties of offerings. My blessings, I accept. And Vancouver, Puri, Canada, I also accept the 145 Nivedyams you are offering. My blessings to all of you. Phoenix, Kanchipuram. Phoenix Center has been named as Kanchipuram. I accept Phoenix, the 108 Nivedyams you are offering. Blessings. Blessings to all the devotees who have gathered the Phoenix Kanchipuram temple. There are so many more centers and ashrams, but the time is very limited because after the satsang, after my message for coming year, we have to go for the sannyas initiation ceremony. Oklahoma, I am not forgetting you. Don't worry. Houston, Kalahasti, I accept your offerings. And Charlotte, Sri Salem, I accept your offerings. Bogota, Colombia, New York, Varanasi, Philadelphia, my blessings. Slovakia, Shivaloka, I accept your offerings. Selang, Malaysia, my blessings. I accept your offerings. I think Hong Kong, Sirgari, my blessings. I accepted your offerings. San Diego, Tirualavai, my blessings. I accepted your offerings. Dallas, Dwaraka, my blessings. I accepted your offerings. Washington DC, Sripuram, my blessings. Saudi Arabia, my blessings to Saudi Arabia Center. Austin, Texas, my blessings. Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, my blessings. Charlotte, Sri Salem, my blessings. Philadelphia, I accept your offerings. Chicago, Srirangam, my blessings. I accept your offerings. Dubai, Vaidyanatham, my blessings. Jorpati, Nepal, my blessings. I know there are many more centers, ashrams who are waiting just for one word to have the blessings. I know in the late night, middle of the night, odd hours, you all have gathered to have darshan and blessings. Kuala Lumpur, Palani, blessings, and Redmond, Washington, Kathmandu, Nepal, Pittsburgh, Piranmalai, Winnipeg, Canada, Calgary, Amarnath, New Jersey. I welcome all of you. Please don't feel I missed out your name. Port Washington, New York. I know all of you have gathered with so much of love, so much of devotion. I know many centers I am not able to read out your name individually, but I give you all my blessings. Piscataway, New Jersey. So I accept all your devotions, commitments, responsibilities, sincerity. Batikalo, Sri Lanka, Mattakkalappu, Ilangai, I accept the offerings and the devotion, and I also sincerely request the centers, ashrams, the names I have not read out, but this center I cannot miss. Tiruvannamalai Nithyananda Dhyana Peetham. Many of them have gathered in Tiruvannamalai Nithyananda Dhyana Peetham, and I just want to tell you, all you guys, all of you, I accept your love, your offerings, the devotion you are offering, and your sincerity. Even if I have not read out your name, your center's name, please don't bother. My blessings to all of you. I just wanted to tell you all guys this one line. I love you. To have you guys in my life. Understand, love and gratitude always two-way. It can never be one way. So I offer my love, my gratitude to all of you, my blessings to all of you. From your side, love comes as a devotion. From my side, love comes as blessings. Some more cities: Monterrey, Mexico; Hyderabad, Guptakashi; Pobrad, Slovakia; Kathmandu, I think Kathmandu 2 centers, and Jayang, Malaysia; Hong Kong, Sirgari. Hyderabad guys, I accepted the card you showed. Hyderabad, Guptakashi. I accepted the birthday card. Thank you. Chicago, Srirangam. I accepted the beautiful garland and flower bouquet you made for me. Blessings. And Los Angeles, I accepted the beautiful Sabdamurti Alankara with all the Utsav Murtis and the great decoration and the celebration, puja and Nevedyams you are offering. My blessings for such a deep love and commitments, sincerity you guys show. 365 days I am only training you guys. At least today, one day I will take to appreciate you guys for what you are. And you guys are really, really, really complete. Whether you have some incompletion or not, but you guys complete me. And Indrani, New Jersey, blessings. And New Zealand, Adi Arunachalam Center, blessings. I can, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, my blessings. I can see you guys. New Zealand, Adi Arunachalam, my blessings. So, just remember, whatever completions, incompletions you have or don't have, don't worry. Just because you complete me, your life is worthy. When you complete the whole, you become holy, and your devotion literally completes me. And all the centers who are joining now, I'll call your names and bless you guys, maybe later part of the satsangs. And last but not the least, Biddi Nityananda Dhyanapetham is offering 1008 Naivedyams. I accept the Annakuta. Biddi Annalaya is offering 1008 Naivedyams. I accept it. And we have so many projects, offerings from Biddi Nityananda Dhyanapetham to enrich the world. I offer all those projects to all of you and to the world. I'll just read out those projects which are launched from today. Maybe at the end of the satsang, I'll try to launch, because there's a huge list of offerings from Biddi. All put together, at least 108 new offerings we are making to the world on this day, on this auspicious day. And I also accept the Pada Puja from all over the world. Swati Darbar, Redmond, Washington, Ananda Archana, Philadelphia, Anuradha Rajasekaran, Sun Prayer, Wisconsin, Ravi Iyengar, Austin, Anand Singh, New York, Satish Balaji, Dakota Dunes, Tushi Tirun, Toronto, Sandhya Gate, Pittsburgh, Niranjan Pandey, Dallas, Vinesh Rathore, San Jose, Alice Kramer, St. Louis, Arun Sivaji, Toronto, Suguna Nathan, Scarborough, Indrani Malhotra, New Jersey, Rajan Kalyana Sundaram, Dallas, and the list goes on. I accept everyone's Pada Puja and offerings, and I know it will go on and on and on. So with this, I come to the satsang. Now please come to the space of listening. It is time to receive the message for next year. First, I wanted to thank sincerely the whole Nityananda Sangha, Tanidars, Kotaris, Mahans, devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Brahmacharis, Gurukul kids, Sannyasis, Krama Brahmacharis, Naishtika Brahmacharis, Rishikul, Rishis, Marishis, everyone for making this 2013's, this year's message, enriching enlightenment, successful, and the coming year's message, causing enlightenment. Please listen. Being a catalyst for everyone to realize their reality, ultimately grow and realize their ultimate reality. Listen. Even with enriching enlightenment, maybe slowly you may develop an attitude, you are holier, you are higher than the receiver. Now, not even that attitude. Be a catalyst, sincerely be a cause for everyone to realize their reality. I tell you, when you decide authentically, sincerely to be a cause for others to realize their reality, all of them became catalyst for you to cause your reality. Dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. When you protect dharma, dharma protects you. When you are sincerely, please understand, the moment you start trying to be a catalyst for others to realize their reality, first thing will come up is your insecurities. Complete with it. You don't need to carry so much of self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred patterns. Every doubt is established on the self-denial, self-hatred and self-doubt. First doubt, if I am causing his reality, what will happen to my reality? Who will cause it? Understand, when you decide to cause, all of them will simply become cause for your reality. And all of them, please understand, life itself, the whole, will become cause for you to cause your reality. Listen, I tell you, all the good things happened in my life. I am giving you the experiential expression from my very experience. With integrity and authenticity, I am talking to you, keeping Kala Bhairava as the witness. All the good things happened in my life. All the best things happened in my life. Happened only when I have lived sincerely, being a cause for causing others' reality. When I sincerely be a catalyst for others to cause their reality, always, not only others' reality was caused, I was also showered by the divine grace. Please understand, take this one lesson. I can give you tons of reference stories, because time, lack of time, and today a large number of people are getting initiated into sannyas, and sannyas rituals have to start because less time. I am not giving you individual story references, but I tell you, all the best things happened in my life only for others to realize their reality. So, please understand and speak into the listening of yourself and speak into the listening of the listener. Speak into the listening of yourself and speak into the listening of the others, listener. Above all, decide sincerely. You will be the cause for others to realize their reality. I am not saying you should drop your cause or you should be thinking about your cause. You should neither think about your cause nor drop your cause. Be complete about your cause. Just be a catalyst for others to realize their reality. You will see, you will realize causing others' reality is your cause. Because being a cause is your because. Listen, this realization is what I call applied science of living enlightenment. Jivan Mukta Vijnana. Continuously, sincerely be a cause for others to realize their cause, and whatever comes up in between, your insecurity, the other person may not be in tune with your cause or your insecurity, what will happen to your cause? Or your insecurity, others may try to cause harm to you. Complete with all this is not part of you. I read a board in a handicapped parking lot. The board says, stupidity is not considered as handicapped. So don't park your car. So I tell you, stupidity can't be considered as being handicapped, and you can't occupy the handicapped parking lot for you. The incompletions cannot be the reason for you to put yourself in your handicapped parking lot. Everyone loves the handicapped parking lot because that place is empty. No, just because the place is empty and easy, don't love it. Complete, complete, complete with all the obstacles, insecurities, self-doubts, self-denial and self-hatred. I tell you, the whole Hinduism, because of last 1000 years of slavery, is suffering with self-hatred, self-denial and self-doubt. Let us complete it. Ourselves, on behalf of us and on behalf of the whole Hinduism, let us infuse our life into, let us infuse Sanatana Hindu Dharma into our life. Let us complete all the self-doubts, self-denial, self-hatred we carry and decide sincerely to be a catalyst for others to cause their reality. This whole year, throughout the morning satsangs, I will continue to expand on this truth, giving you more and more practical tips, techniques, methods, technology, how to be a cause for others' reality this whole year. And I have so much to share with you all. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.